Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is SYAIDATUL NADIAH binti ISLAN and I am a student from Faculty of Accountancy at UED102 Campus Pahang, and I am currently at class AC1101D. So today, I would like to share my experience joining and learning this study skills course UED102. This course really helped and changed my study behavior. So I want to share with you guys a little bit about the topic that I have learned. So the first topic is goals or target. I happen to know that it is very important to have our own target or goal to achieve something valuable in our life. There are 5 ways to set goals. The first one is specific. Targets or goals need to be more specific and detailed. We should write it or type it in a specific place so that we will get to see it and get motivated by looking at the target. The second one is measurable. Measurable means you can track your progress and know how exactly when your goal is met. The third one is achievable. It means the target that you want to achieve is not too high or too excessive that may be impossible for you to obtain. The fourth one is realistic. That means choosing a target depending on your own ability while you know that you can achieve it with your own strength. The last one is time. It means your goals or target will be achieved or accomplished in a set time frame. Instead of setting goals, I also gain knowledge about learning style. There are 3 types of learning style: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners. So I am a kinesthetic learner. So I will explain to you what exactly 3 types of learning style. The first one is visual learners. If your preferred style is visual, you have strong visualization skills and can remember objects, shapes, and pictures. You can learn by watching films, videos, and demonstration. You can see pictures in your mind. The second one is auditory learners. If your preferred style is auditory, you have a good ear and you can hear different rhythm and tones. Read out loud will help you to remember. The last one is kinesthetic learners. If your preferred style is kinesthetic, you are a hands-on learner. You have good coordination and can learn by doing. Furthermore, this course also provides knowledge about how to manage our time and to avoid procrastination. Time management is a process or ability to organize and planning how to divide and separate our time between specific activity. There are many strategies we can do to manage our time, such as plan a weekly schedule, make a daily planner, and avoid procrastinating. Let me explain to you what is procrastination. Procrastination is psychological behavior that allows people to postpone or delay a certain important activities or tasks. So this behavior is not good because it will make our life disorganized while our priority will be ignored. So the solution is we need to avoid procrastination by set a deadline in every work we do, then promise ourselves a reward when we achieve or done our work in time. The last one is removing distraction from our environment. You know what? There is also an interesting part that I get to learn in this course. It is about human memory. It is getting more interesting when I know actually human brain has similar memorizing system like memory in computer and other gadgets. There are 3 types of memory: sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Other than that, there is also 3 processes to remember when we learning. First, encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding represents the act of taking in information and converting it to a usable mental form. Storage is the place that you put all your long-term memory. Retrieval is the process of recalling, recognition, and relearning. The last one is SQ3R. SQ3R is a reading comprehension method that contains 5 steps. The first one is survey. It's mean look through the assignment. Number 2 is query, means turn heading into a questions. The third one is read. Read the whole text quickly. Don't stop even there is something difficult that you don't understand. The fourth one is recall. It means you need to look back at your query question. The last one is review. It means read important section again slowly. As you guys know, to obtain or gain something in life is not an easy task. I also happen to have a very hard time and obstacles in joining classes, but Alhamdulillah, I get to overcome it and be more matured and rational in handling my problems as a student. So the first obstacle is I had to study alone. Due to pandemic COVID-19, every student are encouraged to study at home using the ODL system or online distance system. I find it is very difficult for me to adapt in this kind of situation because I usually like to talk and discuss with friends about study matter when I am studying. So the way I overcome it is by making phone call or video calls with my friends so that I can talk and discuss with them directly about study matters or any confusion in classes. The next obstacle is poor internet connection, especially when it is raining or storming. I will miss something important information from a lecturer. So the way I overcome it is I'm very thankful for a lecturer that record every Google Meet that we had so that I can review back the recording and learn from there. Alright, that's all for my reflection video. But before I start recording, I would like to thank all my lecturer and also UED102 because giving me this opportunity to study in this interesting course. And I would like to thank all of you guys that's helping me for this course. And thank you everyone. Bye bye.